Steinway Pianos is an American piano company, popular for manufacturing and selling high-quality, world-class pianos. Objective: the company's objective was to generate more conversions, to attract new customers, and to drive more sales. Strategy: the company ran a series of email marketing campaigns targeted at clients from a list collected from the company's website. Results: the company generated a 40% increase in new users, decreased bounce rates by almost 15%, and increased their conversion rate by a whopping 629%. Wholesale Marine. Wholesale Marine is an online retailer that specializes in quality boating products. Objective: the retailer's objective was to increase organic reach, market share, and revenue. Strategy: the retailer got its website audited, fixed a series of errors that were limiting its organic reach, and optimized all content for search engines. Results: the retailer achieved higher keyword rankings, increased organic reach by 66%, and increased revenue generated by organic traffic by 190%. Light Impressions. Light Impressions is a multi-million-dollar archival supplies retailer. Objective: the retailer's objective was to lower cost per acquisition and improve its organic reach. Strategy: the retailer optimized its website with search engine-friendly content and code, enhanced its call to action and user experience, and implemented on-page search engine elements. Results: the retailer now ranks in the top 10 of Google search results in its niche, even outranking Amazon for product searches. Traffic from non-branded searches increased to 10,000 visitors a month and is converting at 2%. Wiseman Home Outlets. Wiseman Home Outlets is a leading supplier of discounted kitchen cabinets and bathroom finished products. Objective: the supplier's objective was to build an email database and increase return on investment. Strategy: the company added a sign-up form to their website offering free home measuring services and large discounts. Results: the email campaign generated $38,000 in sales during its first month and increased open rates by 15%. Invite Health. Invite Health is a company that sells high-end vitamins and supplements. Objective: the company wanted to transition from being a brick-and-mortar store to developing and growing an online business. Strategy: the company created an e-commerce website where it implemented search engine optimization and content marketing strategies. It also developed an email marketing campaign to generate online leads. Results: the company was able to generate a revenue boost of 46%, a boost in transactions of 47%, and a 58% boost in traffic in its first 2 years. Hobie Polarized. Hobie Polarized is a lifestyle company that sells trendy outdoor eyewear. Objective: the company wanted to enhance its website experience to attract more qualified visitors. Strategy: the company improved on-site search engine optimizations, site navigation, and design. It also implemented email marketing and paid search ads into its marketing plan. Results: the company was able to increase revenue by 244% and to boost average order value. EDP Dental. EDP Dental is a leading dental plan company in the New York City area. Objective: the company wanted to increase website traffic and the amount of conversions on its website. Strategy: the company implemented a number of optimizations on its sites, including new content that incorporated target keywords to boost site ranking, enhanced CTA placement, and social follow buttons. Results: the company was able to attract new customers, increase spending, and generated 495 new leads in the first 6 months. Road Cases USA. Road Cases USA is an American manufacturer of musical instruments, lighting equipment, and travel cases. Objective: the company wanted to increase their overall sales. Strategy: the company optimized their website design and SEO to reach more organic leads and implemented pay-per-click advertising strategies into its marketing plan. Results: the company was able to increase organic traffic by 14% its number of orders coming from ads to its website by 26%, and revenue by 25%. Jennings Heating and Cooling. Jennings Heating and Cooling is a company that provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. Objective: the company wanted to increase sales, achieve higher search rankings, and generate more leads from organic traffic. Strategy: the company implemented several search engine optimizations on its website, such as adding buying intent keywords into the website's content. Results: the company was able to increase its number of new and repeat customers, as well as to increase total average website visits by 54%. Forever Lawn. Forever Lawn is a premier artificial and synthetic grass manufacturer. Objective: the company wanted to reach more potential customers and leads on the internet. Strategy: the company started targeting local customers by implementing geo-targeted search engine optimizations on landing pages full of buyer intent keywords. Results: the company was able to grow organic traffic by 25% and to increase conversions from organic search users by 28%.